Right. We are going to look at pie chart. So pie chart is a circular chart. What it meant by circular means that it is drawn in a circle. So each of it looks like a pie. That's why we call it a pie chart. Which one has the bigger slice of the pie? Which one has the smaller slice of the pie? Is relatively obvious, especially when you use colored ones. Okay, so each sector represents a different amount of uh, data. So for example, we look at this one, how lions spend a typical day: sleeping, socializing, grooming, attacking gazelles, eating gazelle. Okay, eating, sleeping, not forgetting how elephant spends a typical day. So all of these are here. So you can actually look at the pie chart and then you can identify what is the amount or what is the majority that is being covered here. So then you can see how jellyfish spends a typical day, just floating there, absorbing food, ruining a perfectly good day at the beach, 1%. 90% is just floating there. How pandas spend a typical day? Being adorable. Quite cute, this one. Anyway, you need to remember that whenever we draw a pie chart, there's always 360 degrees. So you need to separate the sector to a maximum amount of 360. 360. So you need to have the total amount of data and then you divide it by 360 to see how much does 1 degree of the pie chart represents. Okay, the table shows how a student spent her day. So you can actually see number of hours and everything. So the total number of hours is 24. Then we need to see this in relative to the degree of a pie chart. So first work out the total number of hours, which is 24. And then you need to find to see what is it in terms of degree. You can have 1 degree equals to how many hours, or you can have 1 hour equals to how many degrees. Both ways is possible. Okay, it's up to you. So here, it converts it to degrees by finding the fraction of it, then multiplying by 360. But what I would normally do is actually take the 360 and find out how much does each hour take. So I'll take 360 divided by 24, and I get a number. That number I'll just multiply by each and every one of it. Immediately I get my answer, rather than doing all of this here. I find out what is 1 over 24, then I just multiply the rest. Okay, so you can actually see here, 360 degrees is equal to 24 hours. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You can find hours to change it to 360 is best. All right, then you can get the answer. You must use the